Welcome back, 3D students. In this video, we're going to create some shorts for Patrick. So let's switch to the left viewport and toggle see-through. And these are the polygons we're going to use for the shorts. So let's go ahead and begin to select them. And once we get some of them selected, we can turn see-through off and switch back to the front view. Make sure I have them all selected. So these are going to be Patrick's shorts. And by the way, I've also turned off Open Subdiv, and I'm going to select that and delete it for now. I think you should do the same. Before we do this next procedure, let's activate edge mode, and we're going to double click on this edge on the legs here and get the scale tool, toggle to the front view. I'm going to double click this edge here and scale it flat using the y-axis. Then go back to polygon mode and our polygon should still be selected. Then I think what we need to do is collapse the symmetry at this point. So right click and convert to an editable poly. And then you can activate polygon mode and our polygon should be selected still. And now we're going to detach these polygons. If you click the detach button, this little menu pops up. And we're going to detach these to an element. That means they'll still be part of the mesh. And then we're going to go to the modifier list, and we're going to use a modifier called push. Find it and add it to your mesh, and then push the shorts out like so. And you can clearly see that now we have shorts. So now we need to join the shorts back to the body. So let's make sure we're at the top of the stack here. We're going to add an edit poly here. And then we're going to go to border mode. And we're going to click this border here. That's the body. And we're going to hold down Control and click this border, and that's the shorts. And we're going to come over here and select bridge. And now we have a waistband. Now let's use Swift Loop to put an edge here and here. That'll help us control the waistband. And let's also put one maybe here. Now on the bottom, where the legs are, let's turn off Swift Loop. I'm going to do the same thing. Border mode here and here. And we can do the same thing on the other leg. And then bridge it. And then let's get Swift Loop and put us a couple of edges here and here and here. Do the same thing on the other side. Here, here, and here. Turn off Swift Loop, and now let's turn on or add an Open Subdiv back to it. And see how that looks. Now Patrick has shorts. Now if you wanted to make a shirt for him, you would do the same thing. You would select the polygons that you want to have to be the shirt and the neck and everything, and you would detach them as an element and then push them out and reattach them like we did with the shorts. Now when we come back, we're going to begin to unwrap Patrick's UVs so we can texture the shorts and the rest of the body. And I'll see you then.